Hi, today we will cook chicken thighs with vegetables. We will need 750 grams chicken thighs, red pepper, onion, carrots, garlic, 300 milliliters double cream, and 300 milliliters wine. Cut the vegetables in small pieces. Prepare the chicken thighs. Add salt and pepper on both sides. In a pan, heat some olive oil and then put the thighs. Cut the garlic in small pieces. When the thighs have a brown crust, take them out of the pan and put the vegetables in the same oil. Cook the vegetables until soft. Season with salt, pepper, and add the garlic. Take the vegetables out in a baking tray. Add double cream and wine. Add the chicken thighs. And put them in the oven at 200 for 40 minutes. When ready, you can serve them with rice or polenta. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.